A Europe-wide study of the integration of people with mental health illnesses has ranked Ireland slightly above the average score for 30 countries. The Economist Intelligence Unit finds that the Republic's biggest strength is a very advanced policy, but its weakness is a record of poor implementation.
This first ever Mental Health Integration Index, commissioned by the pharmaceuticals company Janssen, assesses how committed EU countries, plus Switzerland and Norway, are to integrating people with mental illnesses into their communities. Ireland comes 14th, with a slightly above average score. Its policy on integration is strong, but upheavals in the structure of the health services, the creation of the HSE, combined with austerity measures, have weakened the implementation of good plans.
There's been great progress in recent years, but there's clearly a lot more that Ireland could do, particularly integrating people with mental illness into the workforce. We can do that in a number of ways, by providing training, which we currently do to a certain extent, but even more importantly, providing support for people while they are in jobs to help them retain those jobs and flourish in them.
Only 1 in 5 adults here with mental illness is employed. The report says supporting more in the workplace will require changed attitudes as well as a better funded service. But it finds the share of the total health budget devoted to mental health services has declined from 7.2% in 2006 to 5.3% last year. The HSE has responded saying that since 2012 an additional €90 million has been spent and 1,150 posts have been created in the services, and that this year €766 million has been ring-fenced so that they will employ almost 9,000 specialist staff. But its plan for this year says a quarter of the posts envisioned in the state's 2006 strategy for the services remain unfilled, and patients and their advocates are feeling the results.
There are long waiting times. Sometimes there is no 24-hour care, and also if people present in crisis they have to go through an A&E, which is not ideal.
Today is World Mental Health Day. Joe Little, RTE News, Dublin.